Stocks tumbling on Friday following disappointing results from Amazon and from Alphabet. But this week could be the game changer. We're going to be hearing from Facebook and Apple. Is that going to change the markets, especially for the tech-heavy NASDAQ? Let's bring in right now Joseph Schroka. He's the Chief Investment Officer at Nova Point Capital. Joe, good morning.
Good morning.
Let's talk about the rough news first, and that is Facebook. This is a stock that's been hit by multiple concerns, whether it's Cambridge Analytica, whether it is worries about regulation in Europe, fake news, take your pick on Facebook, no confidence vote against the Zuck. Is this the week that we see a turnaround for Facebook, in your opinion?
I mean, certainly sentiment on Facebook's pretty poor going into the earnings. There's concerns about advertising and how great of an advertising platform it is because of the data breaches and the overhang from Cambridge Analytica. I mean, it's a great user base, 2.2 billion users. Finding a way to monetize it and monetize it effectively could turn the stock. So maybe some strategic comments could help, but I agree, sentiment's pretty bad going into the earnings.
It is bad, and the stock itself, Facebook actually is down year to date right now, 19.9%. We were just looking at that chart. The NASDAQ is only down maybe 4 or 5% for the year. I'm blanking on that number, but 11% of value lost in October so far, month to date on Facebook. So the question is, if you were maybe buying this stock on the dips, maybe this quarter could be the turnaround, and that's when the investment could pay off. And to your point, advertisers in North America and Canada, well, excuse me, just North America, that really is the bread and butter for Facebook, it turns out.
Absolutely. They make about $6 a user in advertising in North America. So that really is the bread and butter. And finding ways to either increase ad spend from the companies or to increase other ways per user to monetize that user base would benefit the stock. We just haven't seen anything strategic that points in that direction yet.
All right, so you're not really looking for great things from Facebook. All right, so we're going to see when Facebook, of course, reports after the bell tomorrow. Let's take a look at Apple, because there's a different story for Apple, right? There are worries about China. We're going to get into that. But at this point, the stock, we should say, is higher in the pre-market, looking pretty strong. It seems to still be about the iPhone with Apple, and they did kind of escape that Chinese tariff on the Apple Watch. Those seem to be kind of more positive notes when you look at the commentary surrounding Apple's earnings this week.
Right. While tech's generally a more volatile sector compared to the overall market, Apple's the stability within the tech sector. Once again, great installed user base with the iPhone, and their ability now to sell services and accessories has really been what's driving earnings underneath, because the iPhone itself is a single-digit unit growth story here.
Yeah.
They are getting higher ASPs on the iPhone, and that's still going to roll through this quarter. But it's really that underlying growth in accessories, and once again, monetizing that installed user base.
Really quick, you brought up something very key, and I want to point that out to viewers when those earnings come out later this week. The services. That is the App Store. That is Apple Music. Those are things that they've really been able to grow. And so it seems like whether or not they sell more iPhones, and we should say the price points have gone up because of the more expensive iPhone 10, if they can really deliver there, that seems to be a better future for Apple than trying to come up with the next big thing. And we don't really have that with Steve Jobs anymore, the next big invention from Apple. We haven't anyway.
Well, certainly Apple's still an incredibly innovative company, and innovating in services is a great way to drive revenue growth, not dissimilar from innovating with the iPhone or the iPad. Certainly the watch and growth in music, like you mentioned, are driving underneath. But once again, this is a company that's been able to say we've got a great user base and we're going to monetize it.
Joe, thank you for being here this morning. It's going to be a big week for tech. Maybe it's going to turn the NASDAQ around. We'll see. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. Have a great day.